Hello, I'm going to do a little Halloween tour. I got my Halloween stuff out and a haul. I got a brand new beautiful dining room set I was going to show you. It's a well, I'll show you the Halloween. I got my little lighting's kind of rough in here. I have my little Frankenstein here, and then that's a little garland I got at Hobby Lobby. I have my Christopher Radko tree up with all my little chenille people ornaments. And there's one of the chairs. I got 6 chairs and a 3-leg dog bone from a friend of ours who didn't have a use for it anymore. So I got 2 captain's chairs. They're beautiful. See if I can get it. I might change the seat covers. I don't need to right now. They're perfectly nice. And so I have one more captain's chair that I'm using out in the living room, but it's a drop leaf. So these leaves drop. And there's supposed to be a leaf that goes in the middle. We don't have the leaf. I don't need it any bigger than this. But I like this way better than my other one. This is champagne, but it seems to match my stuff pretty well. I think it oxidizes as it ages. So I'm very excited about that. Here's my mummy plate I have up. Nothing on the bar. And I have my, you forget things. You shop your house this time of year. I forgot I bought this cool thing. It's a big candy dish. I've had this candle holder thing for years. Try to pull back. So that's what that looks like. And then in the kitchen I just put my, up on top here, this thing. It works. I just don't know how it plugged in because it will start going off. It'll drive you crazy. So I got that. I got this weird ragdoll thing I got years ago at an antique mall. There's my little keepy cup. And I think these trees are from Daiso. This guy moves around too, but he's really awful when he gets going, so we don't even turn these guys on. We just let them be decor. And let's see, there's the other chair. So I'm thrilled. I'm gonna get rid of this chair, and I might put the other chair here. So we'll see. This is how the mantle ended up. I completely forgot that I got these guys here. I love them. So they have a Radko bubble light. This is the same stuff I had. Oh, there's those beads I got at the sale. There's the locks I got at the fish shack. I've had this boo sign thing for years and years. Mr. Retros just made this base for me. There's the other one. His face lights up, so he's extra nice. Oops. And I just have a piece of canvas cloth here for the mantle. This thing I always liked. Her head is knocked off, so she just wears a diving helmet. So that's how that turned out. So I'm pleased with that. If I can get back here. There. And then, oh, there's this area. If I can get a decent light on it for you. This shelf. There it is, my corner shelf. Wow. There it is. And I just kind of put seasonal stuff on there. That's I love these animated, what are they called? Motionettes. I got the Dracula one. He plugs in. The Frankenstein one is battery, so I don't really run him. I collect these jack-o'-lanterns. They're old. So he's just on a base that Mr. Retros made with a flame bulb that I got at Walmart. And this is a ghost. He's supposed to have a light in him, but I don't bother. And there's a vintage. Did I get him? Vintage hard plastic. I think he's the kind that you would put a battery in the bottom. Little lantern. And then I made this. I stenciled that on there. Those are boards from some pallet boards Mr. Retros finds when he's doing his job behind these biomeds. They always are moving equipment in and out, and they leave the pallet boards there. So we take them and we chop them up and burn them, or I make stuff like this. So then I have this one filled. I'll try to get back so you can see. I have all my jack-o'-lanterns. Those are all from the 50s and 60s. And there's the top part. They were from Marshall Fields and other department stores, because some of these were Mr. Retros when he was a kid. Now I've got so many now, they kind of slip through the cracks. Oh, and these are my Kmart, Addams Family, and Munsters figures. They just did 3 of each. So I have Grandpa, Lily, and Herman. There's there. And Lurch, Fester, and Morticia. That's all they made. This one's a neat one. I like the ones with those teardrop mouths. There's Fester. These are some of my favorite things I have. Are these guys. They made Beetle themed ones. They did Daniel Boone, LBJ, Goldwater, I think. These are weird wax things that I got from somewhere. They're kind of strange. So I put them in there, and this one's nice too. And then this one is a Dollar Tree sign. It's actually not bad. I was just kind of surprised. So the top is mainly stuff some of the stuff I made. These are those Fish Shack candle holders, and I just put my guys on there, and I made a little ruffle out of crepe paper. I just made these candles. They're shocked candles. I look up old German paper mache creatures and just kind of do them in felt. And this boo I just got somewhere last week. Here's the other one. I'm thinking of doing some of these for Christmas in red candles because I have some trees. And here's the other guy here, and he's got a green and beige ruffle, so he's extra fancy. So I like the way that came out. So every year I try to do a little different. And then on here is just my other ones I made. And I forgot to show this cute tree that I got at Home Goods. It's smaller than the Michaels one, it's bigger, and it's $40. I think this was $16.99. But here's those little, I had these little chenille guys out because they were smelling like mildew, but I got them off the paper, and so they seem fine now. Those are dog toys. And I have some flicker bulbs. This is just on top. The TV cabinet is this guy. So that's what I've got going on. And I got my Space Needles on the end. So I will be right back with the haul. And I'm back with my haul part of the thing. Oops.
2:15 p.m.
Yeah, this is a talking clock. It's from like back in the day. Mr. Retro's mom had one. And you just go like this. Maybe you can hear it.
2:15 p.m.
See, 2:15 p.m. So it was $2.99. Oh, this was from St. Vincent. Oh, so that's that thing. Till time. I don't know where they. I thought she mail ordered this thing. I don't know. Anyway, so that's from back in the day. And then we got, you got this Blu-ray of this one. This is pretty good. It's kind of cool. There's Brad Pitt and all this stuff. I haven't seen it in a while. I kind of forgot. So I'll have to watch this again. So that's Tarantino's always fun. So yay. And then I got this. This was, the yellow tags were 99 cents. So I got this set. It's really cute. Here it is. It's just linen. It's a kind of like a Battenberg little thing here. It's got this, wow, look at the stitching on this. Whoa. There's some tiny stitch in there, and that's got some open work. That's really pretty. Wow. I don't know that, boy, and it's, you know, it's ironed and starched and everything. It's like it's brand new. I was thinking it was a repro from the 80s and 90s. They kind of were doing this Battenberg, but I don't think it is. I think it's even older. So I thought it was very pretty. I use it on this table. And then I got these. These were 99¢, and I'm just going to use these as like decor uprights. This is actually a cool book. It's Reader's Digest. But see, it's kind of got a good looking cover, and it's sort of interesting. You know, it's got all this history stuff. I don't know what year it is. Let me look. Does it say? Let me see. Oh, these are neat. They have one like this of Crazy Horse that's really cool. I don't think they have any photos of him. Let's see. 95 on this one. So that's pretty cool. Neat. And this one. It's a book of Indians. And this one is older. Somebody wrote their name and address in it. And it's got a nice cover too. And, geez, the introduction's by JFK. Wow. So this has some age. Let's see. This is the 82 edition. But I think it's old. Yeah, it's a reprint of that, of the art. Because, you know, JFK. Oh, that's pretty neat. That's neat. I think our natives have the best artwork, but I am prejudiced because I live here. I love this Plinkett type stuff. So, it's all pretty cool. What's this? Men's shoes, Nordstrom. 76 bucks, jeez. 1973, that was fancy shoes. So, that's all I've got. So, I will see you later. Bye-bye.